In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace a rear window regulator on a Toyota Corolla. These are located inside the rear doors. Let's get started. We're going to start off by locating our door handle and this trim panel behind it. We're going to pry it up using a small flat blade screwdriver. So insert it in between the lock and the panel and pry it out. And set it aside. We're going to move down to the window switch and its panel and pry it up using a trim tool. Insert it in between the edges. And pry it up. I'll pull up from the inside of this pocket. And set it up in the side. On the back side, we are going to locate this connector, push the tab in and slide it out. We can set the switch aside for now. With those out of the way, we're going to locate 3 Phillips head screws. 1 near the door handle and 2 behind this panel. Remove these. And set these aside. Now to remove the door panel, pull away from the bottom corner to undo the clips. Once they're all undone, pull it away. With the door panel pulled away from the door, we're going to locate our door handle cables and door lock cable as well. Pull these out of the holders and remove the cables. Starting with the green one on bottom, pull it out and lift up and set it aside. Do the same for the white one. To gain access to our window bolt, we're going to raise the window until it aligns right here. So we'll turn on your ignition and temporarily reinstall your window switch. Slide the connector in place. And just lift up until we have access to it. Remove the connector and set it aside. We're going to locate our vapor barrier and peel it back. So grab an edge and start peeling. You could also cut it with a razor. But peel down. Remove your door lock cables from it. And continue peeling. Now we have access to our bolt. Remove the 10mm bolt holding the glass to the regulator. And set it aside. To gain access to our second screw, we're going to have to remove the door speaker. So locate the connector on top, push down on the tab, and slide it out. Set it aside. And remove the 3 10mm bolts. 2 on top. And 1 on the bottom. Now pull the door speaker out and set it aside. With the speaker out of the way, we have access to our 10mm bolt. Remove it. And set it aside as well. We are going to lift up on our door glass and secure it using some masking tape. Ensure it stays in the track. And tape it down. We are going to locate and remove our window regulator connector. Push down on the tab, or push up in our case, and slide it out. Set it aside. We can now locate and remove our 6 10mm fasteners holding the regulator down. Unlodge the regulator from the mounting studs. And remove it from the door. And there it is. To install our window regulator, we're going to slide it into the door and mount our mounting studs through the holes. Feed them through. Do the same for the motor. And thread on your fasteners. And snug these all down. We are going to torque these all down to 71 inch-pounds. Reinstall your electrical connector, slide it in place and push down. We could go ahead and lower our window down now. So we're going to remove our masking tape. And set it down on the regulator, ensuring it stays in its track. We're going to hand thread on our 2 bolts. And now the one in the speaker hole. Snug these down. And torque them down to 71 inch-pounds. We are now going to put our speaker in place and snug down its screws. Now snug these down. And reinstall its electrical connector. Just put it into place. We're also going to reinstall our vapor barrier, line it up and press it down. But before you do, feed the door lock cables through the cutout on the top portion. Once everything's lined up, push down. Now to reinstall our door latch cables. I'm going to start off with the green one on the bottom. Feed the cable through and hook it down. And reinstall the clip. Do the same for the white one on top. We're going to get our door panel into place and feed our switch harness through. Now we're going to go ahead and line it up. Push down the clips on all sides. With the door panel back in place, we're going to reinstall our 3 Phillips head screws, starting with the ones on the bottom. Just snug these down. And there are one adjacent to the door handle. Reinstall your window switch and window switch panel. Start off by reconnecting the connector, ensuring it's secure, and putting it into place. So line it up and push down on all the tabs. And we'll do the same for our top door handle panel. Every time you replace a window regulator and it has the auto up and auto down function, you have to relearn that function. So we're going to start off by holding the switch all the way up, waiting for about 3 seconds, then holding it all the way down and doing the same. Now we can test functionality. Yeah, that looks good.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.